All right, so one of the very first things I would recommend, go out to the product page for each of the major components. For example, here's my motherboard, here's my case. Go out and grab the manual for each of these things here. So I'll find the English version here, download that. I actually like to save these to my machine as well here. I'll have a directory for this. And then open those up. I like to open them in the actual PDF viewer so I can mark on them. So I got cooler, case, and motherboard here. And then don't forget your PSU should also have a manual. Very important to have. Here's the page of the PSU that I bought from Micro Center, though. They don't seem to have this on here, but if you come over to B&H Photo, they tend to do a good job of this. A lot of times they will have the manual linked as well. Or, of course, I can just come back over to the Seasonic website here and just grab, I've got the Prime PX, PX 1600 watt. Careful, there's a TX as well. This is the Platinum one. And so then I could do documents here. And I got data sheets or quick install guide might be good to have. And then the user manual as well. Download both of those. All right, and then once again here, I like to open up all of these here inside of my native viewer so that, like I said, I can mark on them. Don't have to deal with the browser tab here. I'll open both of those up. The quick start guide might be enough. You also get some of this inside of the box, so just look in your box if you want. I just kind of like to have the digital copies, put them all in a folder. So at the same time, I've grabbed everything. I've been very careful about the versions of the hardware that I purchased to make sure I have the exact manual for it. That way, 2 years down the line, if I need to make an upgrade or something, I can just go to the folder I have here to know exactly what I have. Of course, I could get newer manuals then, but the point is, any point in time I want to make a change to the system, I've got the manuals ready to go. And as I'm building the system, since I don't do that this often, I like to scour the manuals. I like to learn what are the features of the product, what are the ways to install things, to toggle things, the options you have, the reconfigurations you have. Best way to do that is actually to scour the manuals. There's nothing wrong with that. Spend a couple extra hours on each component to really understand it via the manual and other documentation. You will not regret that. There are so many little things that you won't know otherwise. You can make mistakes without doing this. And I feel like unless you build systems every day, if you're like me, where it's like every 4 years or maybe 5 or 6 years, you build a new system. Actually, it was 10 years prior. Then it's definitely a good idea to make sure you understand the technology. And not only the manuals in that case, if you're only building 5 or 10 years apart, then you need to go understand the actual underlying technologies like PCI Gen 5 versus Gen 4, or what an NVMe drive is versus a SATA drive, because 2 builds ago, I was dealing with SATA drives, and then all of a sudden on my last build in 2022-ish, January 2022, well, in that case, I was dealing with NVMe drives for the first time. I hadn't dealt with those at all previously, so I had to learn a little bit about that technology and what options there are and how to use those, how to install those, etc.